Hey Yank, Shazad here. Today we'll be unboxing the Tab S10 FE edition. So previously we had the Tab S9, then they had two versions, so Founders Edition and the Plus Edition. The Plus was a bit larger. So this is 11-inch tablet itself. So let's unbox it first. So if you don't want to go with the top of the line, the S series itself, for the Samsung tablets, you can get the Founders Editions, which are usually roughly half of the price. Obviously, the chipset is not the same, but I think you are getting Exynos chips on these ones instead of the Snapdragon one. So that's one thing to be mindful on that, because I think Samsung has sort of like given up already on putting Exynos compared to Snapdragon. So okay, this is just stuck on that. Fine, it's off now. Okay, so let's do that. So from out of the box, this comes with the latest Android 15, but with the One UI 7 instead of the latest, which is available. That's 8. Does come with S Pen, does come with the cable. That's pretty much it. For the tablet itself, let's see. It has a bit of a downgrade though. I'll let you know afterwards. Okay. Yeah. So you can get in different colors, all that. Okay. So okay, first this is 11. This is a 12 in. The last gen was 12-inch, while this is a 13-inch tablet. It is a bit more heavier compared to the old one, because I think the last one was 600 something grams, and this is it's above 650. So this is a bit heavier. So these do come in different versions. One is like you can get you have the ability to add eSIM or the SIM card, like a nano SIM, and then, or you can just get the Wi-Fi model. Depends on you. So if you want to go cellular, if you need it, sure, you can get that. These are IPS LCD panels. These are not OLED panel or not even LED panels. So so these are decent for the usage, for the price itself. They do go to 90 Hz refresh rate itself. The Pixel PPI, it is a bit better compared to the last gen, because that was 240-ish. This is close to 260. As I said earlier, it already comes with the latest Android 15, but the One UI, it is on version 7, not version 8. These come in two different versions, because previously you could go between 6 gigs, 8 gigs, and then 12 gigs depending on the storage. So if you are around 128, you can go between 6 gigs or 8 gigs. If you're going with the 256 gigs, then you can go with the 12 gigs of RAM. While this one, Samsung has made it a bit more simpler. So if you're going 128 gigs, you will be getting 8 gigs of RAM. If you're getting 256, you're getting 12 gigs of RAM. Yeah, so the drawback. So you used to get two cameras in the back. One was 8 wide, and then another one which was ultra wide one. Now this is just one sensor, which is 13 megapixel. It is an upgrade from the 8 megapixel wide one to 30 megapixel, but you're still just getting one camera compared to the one dedicated ultra wide one. This doesn't come with that. So the front, that is same. Yeah. So it's like, yeah. So the front one, it is still 12 megapixel. There's no change on that. Has the stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, all the shebang. That still stays the same. USB-C, as you have seen already. Has the fingerprint scanner, default. It does come in different colors. Let's set it up. Okay. As it's a Samsung device, the screens are okay-ish. They're not like, don't expect like OLED quality or compared to like the normal results you get from the Tab series itself, because they are OLED panels, while these are LCD panels. So, but for the viewing, for normal usage, if you want to gift these ones, these are great. So that's pretty much it. Let me just set it up. Okay, yeah, so it does come with S Pen. Yeah, I kind of like the layer at the back on my the Ultra, because S9 one, because it has like a specific colored area, so you know where you're putting it. But this being magnetic being, so it's not such a big issue though. Kind of disappointed on like now they have just one camera instead of like two cameras. It is a bit downgrade as well. Also, I would prefer, instead of using Exynos chips, they use the Snapdragon. Like, even don't use the latest one, obviously that being the like mid, that will make it a bit more expensive. But